there, this is Tammy with Tammy's Stamping Therapy, and I am participating in Susan Tootsie Tucker's Halloween collab. I forgot what it's called. Meet Me with Some Ghouls, I think. And for this last Sunday, our project was a shadow box, and this is the shadow box that I had made. And I didn't even really talk about the background, and I had a couple people ask me how I made the background. It's sponged, and I'm going to show you how I did it. I am using this die set that's in the Stampin' Up! Holiday Catalog. It's funny that I've been looking for bag topper dies, and they describe this as a bag topper die. The way these are made, you could fold it in half lengthwise or widthwise. And this is what the die cut looks like. So see, you could score it and fold it either way to make it a bag topper, which I thought was pretty cool. Now I can't get that off of there. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I did this. The first thing that I needed to do is to make my horizon. So I do that with Post-it notes. I'm going to take 2 Post-it notes and I'm going to line them up hopefully line them up perfect, because I don't want it to show. I don't want you to be able to see. Oops, that didn't work. Don't want you to be able to see where they overlap. So it looks like that's straight, and then if I take this like this, and then I'm going to put this on here. That didn't work. Okay. Annoying. I need to do it this way. It wasn't actually this difficult when I did it before, so I don't know why I'm having so much trouble. It's not straight. Attaching them to each other is not working very well. That's semi-straight. Okay, and then I'm going to put this on here. And to make my moon there, I punched out a piece of the sticky part, and I have a 1-inch circle punch, and I tried punching it by itself and it wouldn't punch, so I attached it to this paper, and since it was 2 layers it punched better. And I took the sticky part of the Post-it so it would stay down. I'm going to put that like right about there, and then I'm going to start sponging. And I think I'm going to do the opposite of what I did before. You can go either direction. I want to put some yellow. Get that stuff out of my way. I want to put some yellow down here, and I don't want it to be muddied up, so I just sponge. These are sponge daubers, and sponge in a circular motion. I might also go like this sometimes. You can also use those blending brushes that everyone is showing, but I'm good with these. So that's it for now for my Daffodil Delight. Then I'm going to take Night of Navy, and I'm going to go up to the top. This is really simple. It just takes a little bit of time. And I'm going to go all the way around, starting off on the paper, all the way around the edge. And I'm going to keep adding color until I get it as dark as I want it, which takes a little bit. I wanted it really dark. Just keep putting it on there. Whoops, I did not want to mess with that. So hopefully I didn't mess with the shape of my sun. Now I'm going to go for the gorgeous grape and add some purple in here. Again, I want this dark, 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 dark. There. There's that part. And I'm going to go back to my Daffodil Delight. I'm going to take this off. Did mess it up a little bit. That's a bummer. And then I'm going to just add this color in the center. So be more careful than I was. And then since I'm going outside it a little bit, I'm getting some blue on my sponge, which I don't want to dirty up my ink pad. So there is that. And if I didn't like that, which you can't really see it anymore, but if I didn't like that, that's where I could add my little bat. Now I'm going to take this I still wanted those to stay together, dang it. And I'm going to reverse it. So I can do the bottom. And I'm okay with a little bit of a sliver. It's going to overlap a little bit. If you hear snoring, that's my dog. She is quite the snore hound. There's that. And for this, I'm using a different kind of a sponge. This is a different kind of ink. And so I'm using this kind of a sponge. And adding the color. And I want to make this black. So it does not matter really if you can see the marks, because by the time I'm done, it will be just black. You don't have to be careful with your, as if you were blending. We're not blending any colors. We are just laying down color, and I might need to, probably should have re-inked my ink pad. This is the Memento Tuxedo Black ink pad. I'm definitely going to need to re-ink the ink pad after this. And there it is. There is my background. That's as far as I'm going to go with this today. I will finish this into a project of some sort, and you will see it in either this coming Sunday in my Halloween collab video or the following Sunday in the final Halloween collab video. I haven't decided yet, but let me know what you think. I think this is a lot of fun. I can see a little that my Post-it notes weren't lined up perfect, but when you're making it into a project, something is going to be covering that, and it's not going to matter. It does not have to be perfect. So let me know what you think, and I hope you have a wonderful day.